Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here's your tip in 2 minutes or less. Here's something really cool to have. Very inexpensive. They don't cost a whole lot. And if you adventure travel or if you enduro ride, these things are fantastic, especially if you're out in the thick of it or if you're out in the desert or something like that. You definitely want to think about one of these. In my box, right there. Guess what that is? Yeah, it's a collapsible canteen or a collapsible, basically it's like an Nalgene bottle. It's collapsible. They don't cost much. Down in the description, we'll put it to where you can pick one up. They don't cost a whole lot. You can roll them up. That one is 1 liter in capacity. So 1 liter is quite a bit. I mean, God, that's literally, that's a couple of days worth of water in a pinch. So having a portable canteen might save your life one day, might not, but it never hurts to have something that you can store water in or basically add more water to your gear. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a great day.